So, Leo, imagine this. Your friend just told you they want a free trip to Hawaii. What do you say?
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
That's nice. It's polite, it's friendly. But, Leo, would you believe me if I told you that native speakers almost never say wow in that situation?
Wait, really? My English teacher taught me wow for surprises in like every textbook.
I know, and it's not wrong exactly. But think about it. When was the last time you heard an American friend say wow when they heard exciting news? Not just like they see a beautiful sunset or something, but real news like a promotion or a surprise party.
Huh, now that you mention it, I can't remember. Usually they say something else.
Exactly. So today, we are going to fix this. By the end of this episode, you will never reach for that flat, textbook wow again. Instead, you will have three natural, powerful phrases that native speakers use every single day. Ready?
I'm ready. Hit me.
Okay, here are our three expressions for today. Number one, no way. Number two, you're kidding. And number three, I can't believe.
Okay, I've heard all of these before, but I think I use them wrong sometimes.
That is exactly why we're doing this episode, because these three phrases are everywhere in real American English, but learners often use them at the wrong time, with the wrong tone, or in the wrong situation. And the result? You sound like a textbook again.
I don't want that.
Nobody wants that. So let's start with the first one. No way.
Okay, so no way, does that mean no, like I don't want to? Because that's what I always thought.
That is such a good question. And honestly, this is the most common mistake I hear from Chinese and Spanish speakers, especially. They hear no way and they think it's negative. Like, no way am I going to that party.
Right, that's what I thought. So when someone says they got a free trip to Hawaii, I should not say, no way, I don't want to go?
Oh my goodness. Please do not say that. That would be very confusing. No, when we say no way for surprise, we mean I can't believe it. Or that's amazing. It's positive. Well, it can be positive or negative depending on context. But the key is it expresses strong emotion. Let me give you two examples. First, positive surprise. Your friend says, I just got the job. You say, no way. That's incredible.
No way, that's incredible.
Yes, perfect. Now try the exact same phrase with a different situation. Your friend says, I just got fired from my job.
Oh, no way, that's terrible.
See, same phrase, two different tones. The first one, you go up in pitch, you sound excited. The second one, your voice drops, you sound shocked, sympathetic. The words are the same, the tone changes everything.
Okay, so this is about emotion, not literal meaning.
Exactly. No way is a reaction to something unexpected, big or surprising. It can be good news or bad news. The tone tells people which one it is. Learners from Arabic language backgrounds, I notice you tend to say no way with a very flat tone, and it sounds like you're rejecting something. So practice that pitch change. Up for excitement, down for shock.
Got it. So what about you're kidding?
Ah, this one is fun. You're kidding is even more common in everyday conversation. It means I don't believe you, but in a playful way. Like you're joking, right? You're pulling my leg.
So someone tells me they won $1 million, I can say, you're kidding.
Perfect. And here's the secret trick. Native speakers often shorten it. We say, you're kidding me, or just kidding me, or even just a long drawn out, no, you're kidding.
Wait, so just no by itself?
Not a flat no, a stretched out, no, you're kidding. It sounds incredibly natural. Let me play you a scene. Imagine your coworker walks in and says, the boss is giving everyone a bonus this year.
No, you're kidding.
Perfect. That sounds so natural. Now here's where French and Italian speakers make a common mistake. They say you joke instead of you're kidding. So remember, it's you're kidding with the ing. You're kidding me.
Okay. And what about I can't believe?
This is the most powerful of the three, but it is also the one that learners mess up the most. And I want to show you what I mean. Leo, say this sentence for me. I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Okay, that was fine. Now try again. Imagine you just found out your best friend is moving to another country. You're sad. You're shocked. Say it again.
I can't believe it.
Did you hear the difference? The first time it was flat, like reading from a page. The second time there was emotion. The voice slowed down, the pitch dropped. That is what makes I can't believe sound real.
Wow, I never thought about that. I always said it the same way.
Most learners do, and this is the biggest mistake. I can't believe is not a phrase you say with neutral tone. In fact, if you say it with a flat, excited voice, it can sound sarcastic, like you don't actually care.
Really? So I could accidentally sound rude?
Yes. Imagine your friend tells you their grandma passed away, and you say in a bright, cheerful voice, I can't believe it. That would be extremely weird.
Oh, no.
Right. So here is the rule. Using I can't believe in two common ways. Number one, with a slow, quiet, low voice for sad or shocking news. I can't believe he's gone.
I can't believe he's gone.
Good. Number two, with a faster, higher pitch, often with a laugh, for happy surprises. I can't believe you did all this for me.
I can't believe you did all this for me.
Now you sound like a native speaker. Remember, it is never neutral, always emotional.
This is such a simple change, but I already feel more confident.
Good, because now we are going to do something even more important. We're going to talk about when not to use these phrases.
Wait, there are times I should not use them?
Absolutely, and this is the part that surprises most learners. Let's take no way. In a formal situation, like a job interview or a meeting with your boss, do not say no way.
Right, that would sound too casual.
Exactly. Imagine your manager says, we're giving you a promotion, and you reply, no way, that's too informal. It might even sound like you're rejecting the promotion. Instead, say, I can't believe it, thank you so much.
So I can't believe is more flexible. It works in formal and casual situations.
Yes. Now, what about you're kidding? When should you avoid that one?
Maybe when the news is very serious, like if someone died.
Exactly. Do not say you're kidding about death, illness, or real tragedy. It sounds like you're making a joke. Instead, use I can't believe with a slow, quiet voice.
Got it. So you're kidding is for playful, surprising news, not for sad news.
Perfect summary. And here's one more cultural tip. In American English, we also use get out of here the same way as no way. When someone surprises you, you can say get out of here, but it sounds more energetic, more youthful. So if you're a younger learner or talking to friends your age, you can try that one too.
Get out of here. That's so useful.
Haha, see, you just used it naturally. Now let's put all three together in a real conversation. I'll be the friend with news. You react. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Leo, guess what? I just adopted a puppy.
No way. That's amazing.
I know. And get this, it's a golden retriever and she was abandoned. I found her on the street.
Oh, you're kidding me. That's so sad. I'm glad you took her in.
Yeah, I couldn't just leave her there. And the best part, she already knows how to sit and shake hands.
I can't believe it. She sounds so smart.
See how natural that sounded? 3 phrases, 1 short conversation. Let's break down what you did. First news, adopted a puppy. You said, no way. Positive surprise, excitement. Second news, she was abandoned. You said, you're kidding me. Shock, sympathy. Third news, she already knows tricks. You said, I can't believe it. Happy amazement.
It felt so natural. I didn't even have to think about it.
That is the goal. You react emotionally, and the phrase follows naturally. Now here is your challenge for this week. I want you to use at least one of these 3 phrases every single day.
Okay, but in real situations, I might freeze. What do I do if I forget which one to use?
Great question. Here is a simple rule. Think about the news. Is it exciting? Use no way. Is it surprising but playful? Use you're kidding. Is it emotional? Use I can't believe.
Exciting, playful, emotional. Exciting, playful, emotional.
Say it 3 times, it'll stick. And you know what? I have one more trick for you. If you ever forget all 3, you can always say, oh my gosh, it works for everything.
Oh my gosh, that's my emergency phrase.
Exactly. Your English safety net. but I want you to practice these three because they will make you sound so much more natural. Before we wrap up, I want to share one final insight. The reason these phrases exist is that English speakers love to express emotion through tone and energy. We don't use a lot of formal vocabulary for surprise. We use short, punchy phrases with lots of feeling.
So it's more about how I say it than what I say?
That is exactly right. You can say wow with perfect grammar and it sounds flat. Or you can say no way with the right tone and you sound like you grew up in New York.
Okay, I want to sound like I grew up in New York.
Then let's practice one more time. I'll give you a situation. You react. Situation 1. Your friend tells you they're getting married.
No way. Congratulations.
Perfect. Situation 2. Your friend says they lost their phone.
Oh, you're kidding me. That's awful.
Great. Situation 3. Your friend surprises you with your favorite cake on your birthday.
I can't believe you remembered. Thank you.
Leo, that was fantastic. Today's rule to remember: replace your flat wow with one of these three emotion packed phrases. Your English will instantly sound more natural, more conversational, and more human.
I love that. More human. That's what I want.
That's what we all want. Thank you for joining us on Speak Like a Native. If today's lesson helped you, hit that subscribe button and share this episode with a friend who is still saying wow the textbook way.
And remember, every conversation is a chance to sound more like you. See you next time.
Bye for now.